A stone falls at terminal velocity in air, and what is equal to the change in gravitational potential energy of the stone, right? So falling under the terminal velocity or falling under the potential of gravity is because like being on Earth or being in the field of gravity of Earth, every object or every mass is having some gravitational potential energy, right? And that is the gravitational potential energy that is responsible for this object moving down, right? Because it needs energy to move down to the Earth, right? And that's the gravitational potential energy, but not primarily gravitational potential energy, but this is the potential energy that is later converted into kinetic energy, right? And kinetic energy is energy which is associated with the moving objects, right? It goes like half mv squared. So whenever something is moving, it possesses kinetic energy. And now when object is falling under the gravity, its gravitational potential energy is being converted into kinetic energy, and that's why it's moving, right? So we can go with option A, which says the change in kinetic energy.